first one we are focusing on an important topic, colligative properties, and it is one of the very important topic. Definitions are asked, reasonings are asked, and numerical is must. 100% numericals will come from this topic. So we'll focus on it, and we'll see that the colligative properties basically depends on the number of particles of either solute or solvent. In our course we are focusing on the solutes, but you have to remember that these are the cases, but they are not at all depending the solvent particles. Okay, these you know that they basically these solute and solvent, they form you the solution. So both of them are present in the solution, but you have to focus that they do not depend on other part also. They say they do not depend on nature of solute. They do not depend on it, right? But they depend on the number of particles. It's not matter what type of nature is volatile and non-volatile, but it is, yeah, it is depending on the number of particles. How many numbers are there? 10 are there, or 15 are there, 20 are there. So this will change your criteria. So this is the basically the properties. It's important definition. Properties of solution which depends upon the number of solute particle. Means molecules, or it can be depending on ions, anything can be there, present in a definite amount of solvent, but not on the chemical nature of solute. So we have certain few important colligative properties that are there in your course. The relative lowering of vapor pressure, then we have the elevation of boiling point, third is the depression in freezing point, and osmotic pressure. So we'll discuss them one by one, and let's start with the first one, that is the relative lowering of vapor pressure. Again, I'm telling you, numericals will be asked from here, reasonings will be asked, definitions will be asked, indirect questions are asked, anything be asked. They can give you an examples, and then they can focus on the part. Now the measurements and apparatus making, that is not asked in these topics. And formulas are there, so please learn the formulas, and please write down the definitions in a proper manner. Follow the bookish language, or if I am writing it on the in my videos, if I am sharing that particular definition, then focus or learn that video only, or that definition from that particular video. Okay.